Good morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at Jersey Shore icon Snooki. Let's look at her incredible weight loss. Oh, and stick around because we actually have an exclusive message from Snooki about weight loss at the end of the video.
Well, I started with my trainer, Halloween, and I've been training with him every day since then.
Nicole Snooki Polizzi burst onto the scene about 8 years ago with her breakout hit The Jersey Shore. Her bubbly personality, hilarious antics, and barroom brawls made her America's favorite reality star. People may also remember that she wasn't always the thinnest girl on the show. At her heaviest, Snooki weighed 140 pounds, which was a significant amount of weight for her 4'9" frame. However, thanks to diet and exercise, Snooki lost almost 50 pounds. So click like for her hard work and dedication.
Get your ass to the gym and eat healthy.
And so how much weight have you lost total since giving birth to now?
Probably like 50.
Wow, so
Yeah.
you really gained a lot of weight while being pregnant.
I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
To quote her, "Even though I want to be healthy for myself, and it feels great to be healthy, I mainly want to do it for my kids. I really just want to be a fit mom. I want to be able to keep up with them, run after them."
Wait, show me first.
Just these. Up. Okay. Yeah, they do hurt. There's no part of this workout that's actually easy.
I want to look good for Gianni because I don't want him to run away ever from me. So I basically try and go to the gym all the time and train with my trainer and do cardio as much as possible.
Polizzi rules the gym and refrigerator with a no excuses mentality. The mom of two chatted with People about her wellness habits, rigorous fitness regimen, clean eating plan, and her daily indulgence. Now, almost 7 years since her son was born, she remains dedicated to keeping the weight off. Diet, exercise, and the right supplements make a big difference. Congratulations, Snooki.
Snooki shares the secrets to her 50-pound weight loss.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at The Energy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too. Thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job.